So, where is software dev heading? Well, apparently into the cloud, powered by an AI agent that can write features, fix bugs, and review your code while you grab coffee. So yeah, welcome to Codex. Software dev just got real weird and kinda awesome as well. But what does Codex actually do? Codex is OpenAI's latest move, a full-on software engineering agent that lives in the cloud. You give it a task like fix this bug, add a login fixture, explain this file that Pasmi wrote at 2 AM, and Codex handles them independently in secure, isolated sandboxes preloaded with your code-based tests and tools. Each task is run like a little AI freelancer, but one that doesn't ghost you. Now the real big difference is that it's not just a code monkey. It doesn't just spit out code, it runs your test suite, cites terminal logs and test outputs, gives you actual evidence for what it did. You can trace every step, review the changes, and either push it to GitHub or tell it to do better. And guess what? If it's confused, it literally tells you. No more silent fails, you get AI with accountability. But does it get better or creepier? Because you can drop an agents.md file in your repo to guide it, kind of like leaving a post-it notes for your AI coworker. You tell it where stuff is, how to run tests, what not to touch, and boom, it follows instructions. Just like a human dev, except it doesn't pretend to understand when it doesn't. It's also trained to refuse sketchy requests, so if you're trying to build malware, well, yeah, it's not gonna help you with that, Mr. Hacker. So yeah, these days, software development is evolving super fast, not just fast. We're heading into an era where you're less of a code writer and more of a code director. Codex is here to replace the grind, the boilerplate, the repetitive fixes, and the why is this bug back again moments. Because let's be honest, no one loves spending 3 hours on a null pointer.